Welcome back, everybody. Halloween is just around the corner and it is time to fill my yard with ghosts. At least that was the original plan. If you've been following along as I sort of ramble on with my design choices that keep changing from minute to minute, I originally wanted to put ghosts at the top of my driveway. I bought a few inflatables. We've looked at them, including an archway and the 12-foot ghost and so forth. My plan was to put all my ghosts right at the end of my driveway, and then you walk through a canopy that I enclose, and inside that canopy I was going to have some additional ghosts. So I was thinking about ways to make these additional ghosts. Anyway, that plan is out the window, but since I've already bought some of these materials, maybe it'll look good somewhere else. I thought I'd at least show you what I was thinking we would do. I found this glow beach ball at the Dollar Tree. So this was a $1 product, and some white tablecloths also from the Dollar Tree. So $2. I thought maybe we could put these things together and make myself a floating hanging ghost. At least see how it looks. So inside the bag here, it looks like we've got a black string, a glow stick, and an inflatable beach ball. Because I was trying to think of what could I use for the head of the ghost. So I thought I was looking for an actual ball, and then I saw these. It at least even comes with the glow stick. So I thought, how perfect is that? I don't really see any written instructions on the glow beach ball packaging. There is just a picture diagram here on the back that basically says bend and snap this and somehow insert it into the inflated beach ball thing. Let me go ahead and blow this up. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, all right. I see what we do now. So I'm gonna just go ahead and close that. That makes a good size head for a ghost. I'm happy with that. And it appears there is on this side a little indent where we can stick the glow stick. But I guess we're just gonna shake this up. This is not the most appropriate video. All right, so we've shaken it up. I guess we have to bend and snap it somehow. Is that how it works? There we go. And it is definitely a very bright yellow. So we're just gonna go ahead and stick that inside. And it has even this perfect little hook on the top where we can attach the string and hang it. But there's the glow stick and the ball. This is actually perfect for a ghost. Let me go ahead and open up this tablecloth and let's see how it looks together. I use these tablecloths for my outside ghosts. I wrap a couple of them around those cheap like $1 pumpkin pails and put them on stakes in the yard, and then put one of those dollar store glowing candles underneath it just to give it some glow. They've lasted for years and years. So, of course, plastic, like, never biodegrades or takes thousands and thousands of years. So that's kind of sad, but it's good for my Halloween decorations. So we have our thin-ish plastic bag. We have our ghost, and it actually does, you can see that it does sort of light through it. So that's actually, I kind of like that. Although the glow stick is pulling out of the ball a little bit. So I'm not sure how we can fix that. Yeah, it's just gonna fall out if we keep doing that. So that little hook is not gonna be very effective unless we somehow like tape it in. But for our purposes right now, I'm just gonna rip through there. Oh, whoops. See, there you go. All right. Probably have to put a little piece of tape on there, but then we can take our little ribbon string maybe, and tie it up, hang it from somewhere, and there we go. We've got our ghost. Last thing we need to do here, well, not quite the last thing. The other thought that we could do is just tie the ribbon around the bottom. This might be better, I don't know. So there we go, and then we can use a piece of fishing line. Well, it looks like a hanged ghost. That's perhaps a little sad, so that's definitely not the way to go. You want to keep that string on the top, and now that I've knotted it, it's never coming undone. Okay, hold on. Never say never. Okay, never. It's never coming undone. All right, but you get the gist of it. So that's what our hanging ghost would look like. Let's see what it looks like in the dark. So what do you think? It actually has a pretty good glow, and I really like the way the tablecloth drapes. It makes up for a very good sized ghost. Now what I did, actually, I think I may have been putting the glow stick in wrong. When I open up the bottom, which will give you a better idea of how much this thing glows, I put the glow stick in with the hook first, and it slides all the way inside, and now it doesn't fall out at all. But you can still kind of pull it out if you wanted to replace it. And you know, you can reuse this with other different glow sticks. You could get glow sticks of different colors, have different colored ghosts. A lot of options. But I think it looks fantastic. It's very eerie. You know, you could draw a couple little ghost eyes on it to give it a little bit more character. Or as I was planning to do, just put, you know, a dozen or so of these inside the canopy room and just have people have to walk through them, block their view, be kind of scary. Really like the idea. Anyway, so the only thing left to do is check it out and see how long the glow lasts. It does say on the package that it lasts for hours. One good thing about putting it in upside down again is that, you know, you can hang these up and then just right before the party, pop open the glow stick, stick it inside the bottom, and you're ready to go. So you can prepare these in advance. But let me know what you think. And in the meantime, I'm going to check out how long this takes to stop glowing. All right, I am not sure if you can see this very well in the video, but it has been about 26 hours now since I cracked open this glow stick, and it still has a glow to it, which you can see through the ghost, through the sheeting on it in a completely dark room. So I was a little worried about how long these were gonna last, but I took some video at the 4-hour mark. It was still going relatively strong. I checked it again at 5 hours before I went to bed. Again, still strong. So if you were to crack this open at, say, 4 o'clock in the afternoon and pop it in, I'd say, well, at past 9 o'clock, you're still going to have a very good glow on your ghost. So for $2, that's the cost of the glow stick and balloon and a plastic tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. You've got a pretty good glowing ghost. And of course, the real impressive feat will be to get several of these. So, you know, $20, you could have 10 of these ghosts just sort of scattered around. And I think that is going to make it a really fun, really impressive effect. So let me know, what do you think? Is this something that you might do? I know I'm going to do it. I can't wait. In fact, now I'm kind of kicking myself because I found I have a great place for it, but I've already started building something else in its place. So, you know, I've got to find a good place for it. What would you do with these? Let me know. And that'll do it for today, guys. So stay tuned for more DIYs, product reviews, store walkthroughs, and so forth. Until next time, take care. Happy haunting.